On this video, we're going to talk about the TAKSTAR microphone. Welcome to Brian's Backroom, where we do product reviews like this one. If you're interested in seeing more, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're talking about the TAKSTAR microphone. This is a shotgun mic for use with cameras, so normally I just put this on top of my camera and use it for audio, so I don't have to wear like the lapel mic. Helps me get some other people in the audio, so it's not just me on the sound. So with the lapel mic, it has a better quality than the mic that comes built into a normal camera. So it's a nice place to go. We're gonna head over to unbox this and then do a quick review of the features. So let's get to it. TAKSTAR microphone. That's okay. Just rip it. Who cares? Just rip. Okay, there we go. That's off. Here we go. Move that little crap there. Okay, and TAKSTAR. So this sits on top of the camera for recording. It's what they call a shotgun mic. And ooh, pouch. I like little carrying cases. So okay, long pouch. Drop in. Okay, there's that. Certified product card. That's nice. Instructions. Felt. And little clip feet things. I'm sure those are in the instructions somewhere. I don't know. Therefore, and here is, sorry, black on black, the microphone. I'm just moving the box out of the way. It's screwing up the view. Okay, stay box. So, this is nice. On, off. Looks like the wire stuck in here somehow. Here we go. Wire. So just slide this around. I actually think this is on the wrong side for my camera, but you know, whatever. Battery case. So that says AA. So I'll get a AA battery and then come back. Okay, so right now I have the microphone on. It's sitting right up here on top of the camera. So what we're going to do, so this is the audio quality that you get from it. I'm currently holding the camera in more of like a vlogging style on top of one of the small flexi tripods. So this is just kind of how it would work if you're trying to vlog with it. I'm going to switch over, so the next thing I can do is, okay, I have, so this is supposed to increase the volume pickup now. I flipped the switch on it. It has 3 switches. One's power on off, one does volume sensitivity, and then the other is kind of a ambient noise reducer. So right now we're doing the extra volume pickup. I'm going to flip that off now. And there we go. Okay, so that's back off. So this is back to the normal sound for comparison. And then now we're going to switch back over to, or not back. Now we're going to switch over to, okay, so that is the change of the ambient noise reducer. Okay, so we flipped off the ambient noise reducer. This is the sound quality that you get with that. Just kind of listen to how it is, how it sounds. Basically though, those are all the settings you can flip on here. So flip that right back to where it was. And so that is the TAKSTAR microphone. Not a whole lot to it. It just clamps right on. It's just sitting on top of the camera right now, plugged into it. Filming with the TAKSTAR microphone right now. Let's see, so I have it on, set to the flat bar and the 0 decibel setting. So I'm gonna now try changing it. Let's see how it is. Okay, so that's 10 decibel setting If you're wondering what that sounds like out here. So see how that goes. Then I'll throw in the little wavy line thing. Still haven't quite figured out what that's supposed to do even after reading the manual. So try and figure that out in time. Okay, so, and then this is 0 with the wavy line. So hope that gives you a better idea of the sound on here. And I'm on a bridge. Yeah, okay. It's the TAKSTAR microphone. There is a link in the description below if you're interested in getting one. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.